Chauffeur meaning pronunciation, S-H-O-H-fur. A chauffeur is a person employed to drive a private vehicle, especially a luxury car or limousine for someone else. Simple meaning. Chauffeur equals a driver, especially for a luxury vehicle or for someone important. Common uses. 1. Chauffeur noun. A person who drives a car for someone else, usually as a job. Example, the chauffeur drove the guests to the hotel. 2. Chauffeur verb. To drive someone in a private vehicle. Example, he chauffeured the CEO to the meeting. Examples daily use sentences. 1. The movie star was picked up by her chauffeur. 2. He hired a chauffeur to take him to the airport in a limousine. 3. My father has a chauffeur for special occasions. 4. The chauffeur waited outside while the guests finished dinner. 5. They offered to chauffeur me to the event. Real-life explanation. A chauffeur is not just any driver. They usually drive high-end cars and take care of the passengers, ensuring a comfortable and safe journey.